Yo, what's good, my G? My name is Norman. I'm the crypto rapper, and today we're gonna talk about something very important that's gonna fix part of your trading. It's mostly about trading psychology, so listen up. First of all, disclaimer, whatever you want to call it. Welcome to the channel, welcome to the community. If you didn't join the Discord community, the link is in the description. It's free, of course. There you're gonna meet people to trade with, make new friends, improve. You can find the courses, book a call with me, whatever you want. So, what are we talking about today? Today, we're talking about noticing your patterns and how to stop it. And you're like, what the fuck is that? So, basically, every trader is a human being. Okay, we got that. So every human being has emotions, and we all know that emotions are a big part of trading. So when we have losing streaks, why do we have losing streaks? It's because we don't notice our patterns, our negative patterns that brings us to bad trading habits. And what do these patterns make you do? They make you overtrade, they make you revenge trade, they make you ignore your plan, which is very important. They make you chase with FOMO, they make you be inconsistent with your risk management. So sometimes you bet more, sometimes you bet less, and you don't follow your fucking plan. And it makes you forget about journaling your fucking trades. So I'm gonna give an example out of me to make you notice this concept. So, recurring patterns are triggered by something. So, what are your triggers? You can cheat something, you can round trip something, you can oversize, you can buy the top, and that is the first mistake that's gonna bring you to your negative losing streak. And I was gonna use my example. So, I had this trade 2 months ago. It was on this coin called Ani. And as you guys know, that shit went to 80 million. But I bought in at 11K, thinking, I don't even know what it was because I just aped into it. And it went straight to migration, and then it went down to 25K. I was like, what the fuck? Then it went up to 50K. It hesitated a little bit. I sold, instantly went to 200K, and then the rest is history. I could have made a potential trade of $500,000. And that was my trigger, because once I saw that, and once I noticed in the following days that that shit went to the fucking moon, I started getting frustrated. I started being sad. I don't want to say depressed because there's no fucking reason to be depressed anyway. But that was the trigger that triggered my fucking losing streak, because after that, I was chasing the runners. I was chasing the next Ani, but the next Ani won't come every fucking day. So I stopped following my plan. I stopped following my risk management. And there's not a big spectrum of mistakes that could lead you to this. But going back to noticing your patterns, every time you make a bad trade or a couple bad trades in a row, stop. And I'm not saying take a fucking 15-minute break or something. Just stop for 20 seconds and ask yourself, what am I thinking? What am I feeling? Why? And you 99% of the time you will know why. Because you cheated that coin, you missed that coin, you FOMO that coin, you round trip that coin. So the more you start to notice your triggers and your patterns, the more you will be able to delete them, to combat them, to face them. So, yeah, just it's a self work to do every time you do a bad trade, because This shit makes you think that every trade is correlated, but every trade is actually unique. So even if you cheated the runner of the year, or if you round tripped the runner of the year, there's it doesn't mean that you're gonna lose more after, and it doesn't mean that you're gonna win after, because every trade is unique. So yeah, guys, I wanted to talk about this because noticing patterns is literally something nobody talks about. And yeah, I hope you guys saw the potential in this. I hope you guys like this video. See you in the community and see you next time.